Thank you very much and welcome to our first cichlid discovery seminar. Now, we regularly run seminars here at Majestic Aquariums and our focus has always been in keeping the fish. So tonight we're not really focusing on keeping the fish, we're focusing on the fish. So the main fish that we're going to be focusing on are what's called the reef lake cichlids. So the cichlids that are found in Lake Malawi and Lake Tanganyika in Africa. And the reason why we're focusing on these fish is that they're a very interesting and very diverse species of fish, which are exceptionally easy to keep. So they're very good for beginners. They have a lot of personality. So these are a very intelligent fish. They're not just a fish that swim and live on and react on instinct. These are a fish that definitely appear to think, that have really visible hierarchy and a whole heap of personality. So starting from the start, we've got Lake Malawi, Lake Tanganyika. So let's say that's Lake Tanganyika, that's Malawi, and that's Victoria, along the big rift valley of Africa. So if you imagine a mountain that are on a fault line. So as the faults are moving, the Earth's faults, these mountains have actually formed lakes. And these lakes are filled by rivers that feed them. So therefore, the fish out of the mountain, out of the rivers, which are effectively filling the mountains, are effectively the fish that have evolved in the lakes themselves. And one of the reasons why the diversity is so amazing within the cichlids is because of the cichlids' ability to adapt. So cichlids have a unique advantage over almost all other fish. There are very few other fish which have what's called a separate pharyngeal jaw. So most fish, when they actually eat something, the teeth they use to collect the food are the teeth they use to process the food. Whereas cichlids have got like a second set of, essentially a second set of jaws. So therefore they've got one set of teeth that they can use for gathering the food, and then they've got another set of teeth that they can use for processing the food. So therefore they're able to monopolise evolution much faster.